custom motorcycle garages, especially the ones in the business of handling Harley-Davidson machines, have gotten us used to extreme interpretations of stock two-wheelers. As a general rule, many of these projects are modified by swapping some of the stock parts with aftermarket ones. Also, as a general rule, these shops are there to do the bidding of the customer, and if the customer wants some parts of a certain stock motorcycle fitted on another to make it custom, that's what they do. And that's also what German garage Thunderbike did with this Breakout FXDR Mutant. The bike you're looking at now started out as one of those new Breakouts Harley-Davidson launched on the American market at the beginning of 2023. You know, the one with a 117 Ci engine in the frame. You wouldn't say that when looking at the thing's front. The model's telescopic fork is gone, replaced by an upside-down one sourced from an older FXDR. This change was not made only for aesthetical reasons, but also because it reduces the unsprung masses, which means that it reacts more sensitively to steering movements. Furthermore, the shroud that goes over the Breakout's headlight is also of FXDR provenance, making for a special-looking kind of hybrid between the two. Thunderbike did not stop at these modifications. In fact, this is one of the most modified bike we've seen coming out of Germany in recent months, with no less than 40 bits of custom hardware replacing or embellishing the existing one. The thing's wheels, for instance, originally sized 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, now come as larger elements, at 23 and 21 inches, respectively. They are both of the Vegas drilled variety and have 5 spokes each. Custom fenders have been pulled over the wheels that are both shod in Avon tires. The rear one is supported by a single-sided swing arm, with an air suspension kit helping them both keep the bike upright. Up on the frame, the motorcycle got a new, stretched fuel tank capable of holding 15 liters, 4 gallons, of fuel. All the parts that have been replaced, and only the parts, have a combined value of almost 20,000 euros, which is about $21,500 at today's exchange rates. That makes the Viking Punch, as the modified two-wheeler is called, one of the most expensive Thunderbike projects of recent months. The build was made on order, and that is made obvious by the motto inscribed on the swing arm, reading, in Latin, Amicitia vincit horas. That more or less is meant to say the time itself can't hold a candle to true friendship, but also that the motorcycle is not for sale, at least not for the foreseeable future.